So for my next project, the things that I know for sure you're going to need, because this is one of these things I'm going to just kind of throw together and see how I like it, is you're definitely going to need the mason jar ornament from the Dollar Tree, one of Dollar Tree's candlestick holders. I'm using some of Dollar Tree stickers, anything of your choice, tags, because I'm going to be using a lot of paper, like paper crafting kind of things. Dollar Tree snow. I prefer this kind over the little balls of styrofoam. This is much easier to work with. I'm going to be using some twine and some Dollar Tree buttons, some washi tape. I might use some floral. It's just one of those kinds of things. I might be using some leftover necklaces that I have left over from the Dollar Tree. We may use some miniatures from the Dollar Tree, some of the miniature trees. Guys, I'm just going to create. I have some ideas, but I'm not sure if they're going to work. So I just have a mismatch of a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to try to make these adorable little mason jar DIY ornaments from the Dollar Tree, but I want to do something different with them than just use your typical little miniature ornaments and snow. You know me, I'm always trying to do something different. So I really would like to use like a lot of like my paper crafting kind of things, like stickers and tags and washi and buttons and things. I want to do something a little bit different with them. And then because I have other ideas that I want to do with these. So I'm going to see if my idea will work. So just stay with me, but I just wanted to show you, just get a mismatch of stuff. And let's do this project. So, my idea for this is I absolutely love this tree tag. Now this I got like 3 years ago. I got this from the Target dollar spot. So I really want to use this tag. So my idea is to use tags and stickers on the inside of these jars. To get the tag to go up inside the ornament, all I did was kind of pinch the corners, and you can see it kind of made like a little U, like an indent. It went in perfect. A little bit later, I'm going to add the other tag from that pack on the back side so that the tag, like that part right there, the little tail, won't peek out of the corners. So I just glued 2 tags back to back with the material between the 2. I didn't want to take the material out of the tag because then a big hole would show in the front. So I just left them like that. As you can see, hot glued them together and they worked perfect. They didn't move. I'm going to add the snow, and then I'm going to add some embellishments like buttons and some twine and some washi tape. And I think it turned out really cute in the end. So I think that turned out adorable, but we're not finished with this one. What I'm going to do is take a Dollar Tree candlestick. We're going to, of course, mount that to give that one height. But I wanted to spruce this one up a little bit and bring a little bit of color and just make it look more I don't know, Christmassy. My first thought was to wrap it in jute because this does have some jute twine bow, and I did put some jute down below to cover up the silver part of the lid that was peeking through. So you could wrap this in jute, but I was thinking to make it a little bit more Christmassy. I'm going to take some of my leftover beaded necklace that I made my little jingle trees out of, and I was thinking about just wrapping it right here in the middle, and then it'll pick up some of that red, and I think it'll just bring some of that Christmas cheer, so to speak. So that's what I'm going to do next, and then we're going to make one more of these. So what I'm doing is I'm making one kind of elegant, if you will, and one kind of cutesy. So we'll see how that turns out. With a little bit of hot glue, I just added the beaded necklace, wrapped it around the center, and I hot glued the top, and it worked perfect. Okay, so I have that hot glue down. Now I'm just going to hot glue my little snow globe, whatever you want to call it, to the top. And then we're going to get busy working on the second one. Okay guys, so my thoughts for my second one, which I told you I want to make more cutesy, is I would love to use my sticker right here that looks like Dozer. I talked all about this in the haul when I hauled these stickers. And I would love to get one of these snowflake stickers on the inside. So that's going to be like a little thing I'm going to try. Because I'm going to try to get one of these snowflake stickers up here in the back. I have these cute little things I'd love to use. And I have a little D out of the wooden letters that you get from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree paint and paint it red, and I would like to put that on the outside for his like little ornament. So I think I might actually leave this one as hanging because we could probably hang this from the tree, or it can set beside it on the ground beside the one that I put on a stand. So it could be either or, but I think I'm gonna leave the top alone because I might hang this from the tree. This might be my dog's ornament. So I'm just playing. We're gonna have some fun. I am going to fussy cut the little puppy out of these stickers. I swear this sticker looks exactly like my dog. The key to this is to leave the backing on the sticker so that when you add the snow to your ornament, it doesn't stick all to the back of your little sticker that you have in there. So just fussy cut it as close as you can, and then we'll move on from there with the 3M double-sided tape. You're going to cut little squares and stack it in the bottom of the lid, and then in order to get the sticker to stick, you're just going to add a little bit of hot glue on the back and the front, and the sticker sticks straight up. And you can see as I think I used 5 pieces of the little 3M tape, and look, it works perfect. And then I'm going to show you the lid goes right on over. And that is that. That's how we're going to get Dozer, that's the name of my dog, to sit up as we add the snow. But before we add the snow, I really wanted to get these adorable snowflake stickers from the Dollar Tree in the back. So what I did was I put the lid back on, and with my finger, I'm going to hold the place where I kind of want the snowflake so it can be seen behind the little dog, my little dog Dozer. So I just hold that spot with my finger, and then I was going to try to use my purple scissors first, you're going to see, and then I thought, they're really, really big. So then I go for my little scissors, and it works perfect. And all I did was just use a really, really light touch, picked up the sticker like you would with tweezers, stick it right up in there and placed it where I wanted. And then after I got that in there, I thought it needed another one. I don't show this on camera, but I did place another one in there exactly the way I'm showing you how I'm doing it right now. And I slowed all this down because I wanted to show this all to you in real time, so it's just little clippets instead of showing the whole process sped up. And now I'm going to add the faux snow, which I love the snow. And I only fill up just a little bit on the bottom, just enough to cover up all of that foam double-sided tape. And look, you can't even see it, and it looks like Dozer's happily sitting in the snow with some snowflakes behind him. And now from here, I'm going to paint the D with the red Jot paint from the Dollar Tree and set it aside to dry. And while it dries, this part I'm going to speed up. I'm going to decorate this one kind of similar to the other one, where I'm going to be using some washi, some buttons, and some twine to bring it to life. But I really love how both of these turned out. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know which one ended up being your favorite. I think mine personally is my little doggy Ornament. I think it turned out adorable. But thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did and you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and ring my bell so that you get a notice every time I upload a new DIY. As always, guys, do what you love and take care of you, and I will be talking to you in the next one. See you later!